In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Harami bearish quick and easy. We're going to be working inside Tradingview, so go ahead and open up your chart on the market and time frame you want to analyze. It can be any asset you like. The process will be exactly the same. Once your chart is open and you can clearly see your candlesticks, we're ready to start adding the Harami bearish indicator. First, move your attention to the top of the Tradingview interface. You'll see a button labeled Indicators. This is where all of Tradingview's built-in tools and community scripts live. Click on that Indicators button to open the Indicators panel. It might take up a good portion of your screen, but that's normal. And you can close it again later once you've added what you need. Inside the Indicators panel, you'll notice a search bar at the very top. This is the fastest way to find specific tools instead of scrolling through long lists. Click on the search bar so it's active, and then type the word Harami. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results below based on what you're entering. You should see several results appear, including different candlestick patterns. Look for the one labeled Harami bearish. This is the indicator that automatically highlights bearish Harami patterns on your chart, saving you the time and effort of spotting them manually. Once you've found Harami bearish in the list, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the indicators panel can be closed, and you'll see the pattern start to appear directly on your chart. Now take a moment to zoom in and look around. Wherever the conditions are met, the indicator will mark the Harami bearish pattern for you. This can be extremely helpful if you use candlestick analysis as part of your trading strategy, especially on higher time frames where patterns are easy to miss at a glance. You can also open the indicator settings by clicking the small gear icon next to its name in the chart's indicator list if you want to tweak colors or visibility to match your personal layout. If you're planning to use Tradingview more seriously and want access to additional tools, more alerts, and extra quality of life features, make sure to check out my affiliate link for Tradingview Pro in the description. It supports the channel at no extra cost to you and unlocks a more powerful charting experience. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added the Harami bearish indicator to your Tradingview chart, and you're ready to start integrating it into your analysis.